Yes, I've been studying cut rocks at different Stone Age sites here in northeast Connecticut, and I always was intrigued by the drill holes I found in some of the structures, and I finally found some that I could bring with me. Here's one. They're all random sizes. And they're not modern. I've looked at them under microscopes. Here's another one that's a partial. That's not modern. People argue that it's used for explosives, but these are found in direct relation to the sites I study, right in the middle of them, so it's not for explosion. It's not for mining or quarrying rocks.